Hello, my name is Neha.
Hi, I am Darshika Chaturvedi.
Hi, I'm Khushi Nanda.
Hi, I'm Sarvani.
Hi, my name is Ananya.
Hello everyone, I am Muskan Gupta.
Hi, my name is Kashish Motwani.
Hello, I'm Manvi Arora.
My interest in financial consulting and strategic decision making has been a driving force throughout my professional and academic journey. During my journey as a student, I made sure to never miss any event organized by the Finance Club, and each event helped me to gain a deeper understanding of the financial landscapes. So, one of the most impactful moments came during the industry-specific employability training session that helped me to gain a deeper understanding of the financial concepts, and the personalized feedback during the mock interviews that empowered me to present myself as a confident and well-prepared candidate for the campus placement offered by Equity Knowledge Partners.
Working as a management trainee in fund accounting at Orbis Financial Corporation Limited. Ever since I discovered the world of finance, I have been deeply drawn to the intricacies of financial management and resource optimization. From the very beginning of my MBA journey, I was exposed to hands-on training through live case studies, capstone projects, and internships that bridged the gap between theory and real-world applications.
My comprehensive training in analytics, along with the extensive hands-on project at my college, has helped me to get a deeper understanding of how to transform theoretical concepts into actionable insights. This practical experience has not only equipped me with analytical skills, but has also helped me to navigate the complexities of corporate landscape with confidence.
I've always been passionate about fostering meaningful interpersonal relationships which help solve my problems efficiently. Through these connections and through my confidence, I've landed a job at Wipro as a customer service representative. From being an audience member to actually hosting a podcast session and working with multiple prestigious institutions like Times of India and IBM, my career trajectory has improved efficiently and immensely.
Currently, I'm placed as a customer service associate at Amazon. I have always been interested in marketing and how brands connect with people. Attending multiple events and studying subjects like advertising has helped me pursue a career in marketing.
I'm excited to announce that I have been placed at HDFC Asset Management for the profile of Virtual Relationship Manager. I have believed that through strong relationship and clear communication, one can build a strong foundation in the financial world. In my MBA journey, I have participated in all the events which actually helped me in building my interpersonal and communication skills.
I have been selected as an operational associate in Capline Services. Various personality development sessions and simulation classes in my college have helped me to gain deeper understanding in operational landscape, and I look for new opportunities in the near future.
Currently, I'm working as a management trainee at Nagarro. Throughout my academics, I've strengthened my ICT skills from working on assignments to large projects. This also helped me in improving my technical skills, as well as I got a better understanding on how real world works.